outside? Really? Is it cold? Say brr. Boo. Do you want to go outside? Libby Joe, is it cold out there? Yeah. You want to go outside? Say, come play. Really? And then what happened? That's what you see out there? Are there any puppies out there? There are? Yeah? You do? Shake it, shake it, shake it. Do you want to go outside? Hey Monks, you want to go outside? You want to walk? Go for a walk? Maybe you should learn to walk. Do you think? What? You did? And then what happened? Okay, you freeze? I think you're supposed to say I froze. Oh. Yeah? Is there snow out there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Is there anybody out there? Really? Is there anybody out there? All right. What's that? Oh, it is? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Where's Daddy? He woke up? Where's Sally? Where's Sally?
Yes. What?
Sally, do you want to go on the floor? You can do a bridge.
You can take a picture of me.
I'm going to do a video. Yeah? Whoa. Okay, go all the way up. Pick your head up. Yay, Sally! Woohoo! Who's out there? Get him! Get him! You're all done? Nah. Nah. Hey, Libs! Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah! Are you kissing the window? Oh, yeah? Do you want to go outside? Hey, Libby. Keys.